Hi, I'm Mayor Bob Andeweg, and today is Friday, March 25, 2022. Earlier this month, the City Council approved the annual budget, lowering the tax levy for the upcoming fiscal year. I am tremendously proud of our fiscal stewardship. In Urbandale, value provided to the taxpayer comes first. The city carefully stewards the trust and resources of our residents. We reduced the property tax levy by 10 cents to a new lower rate of $10.01 for every $1,000 of valuation. You can view a copy of the budget online at urbandale.org/budget. In the budget, you'll see that we continue to place a strong focus on municipal operations like public safety, snow removal, garbage collection, and park maintenance. And we're investing in Urbandale's future too. We've earmarked nearly $60 million this year for capital projects like the construction of new roads, the reconstruction of existing roads, and stormwater management projects. We are and always will be a community for everyone and a great place to raise a family. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your commitment to our community.